Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. The Driver Extent Plus badge brings a long list of goodies to a platform that was already the epitome of high-end trucks. It brings a distinctly unique design on the outside, and mind-blowing comfort on the inside. Mercedes-Benz claims that the Driver Extent Plus truck offers an unforgettable driving experience and is nothing short of a driver's dream. Thanks to all the second-generation active drive assist systems, it is also easier to drive in traffic. The truck remains easily identifiable, with the front panel donning the Actros badge painted in dark chrome, and the special Driver Extent Plus badging right above the windshield. The beautifully illuminated TriStar logo is placed right in the center of the massive front grille. The Driver Extent Plus has a pair of 2 additional headlamps mounted on the sun visor to enhance the driver's visibility. The LED headlights installed in the Actros can illuminate the road, while the additional lamps work in tandem with the headlights to keep everything in view. There's a depth added to the truck's design with the exclusive matte gray colored decals. Backed out front panels make the vehicle look more appealing, and set contrast with the illuminated Mercedes-Benz logo. 2 additional steps in the aluminum frame complement the stock steps for easy entry and exit. The illuminated entrance features the Mercedes badging for driver and passenger safely getting in and out from the truck. The interiors also have a stack of upgrades. Installed in the truck's interior are 138 LED lights that manage the ambient lighting in the cabin. Mercedes also offers a hand-sized pod coffee maker that fits perfectly into a cup holder and matches the interior design as a treat to the driver. Mercedes-Benz can add a splash of luxury to any vehicle, point in case the Actros L truck, which is spruced up with new technology and design. How will this mammoth of a vehicle perform in real-life situations? Only time will tell.